Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best 3D printer available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best 3D printer, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Creality K1 Max 3D printer. Combining a nimble corksy with a 190 grams lightweight printhead, K1 Max ramps up to 600 mm per second in only 0.3s with 20,000 mm/s squared acceleration. It is 12 times faster than a regular 3D printer. The speed is bolstered by the powerful dual-core CPU and the latest self-developed slicer Creality print. It can be as productive as several 3D printers together. A new ceramic heater encircling the hot end can melt various filaments instantly. The dual-gear direct drive extruder and titanium alloy heat break ensure 32 cubic millimeters/s full blast feeding flow in up to 300 C. The freshly printed model is cooled rapidly by two fans, one on the printhead with directional air ducts, and another in the build chamber. The model hardens before any stringing and warping could happen. The 1 micrometer resolution LiDAR will scan the first layer on its own. It will pause printing and tell you immediately if something goes wrong. And K1 Max uses an AI camera to watch over spaghetti failure, foreign objects, debris, etc. It will alter you when an error occurs. It also supports real-time monitoring and creates time lapses for sharing. A G sensor in the printhead measures and mitigates the resonance frequencies of high-speed printing. No more ghosting or ringing on the print. The accurate Z-axis positioning reduces Z-banding effectively. The aluminium alloy frame with unibody die-cast parts ensures steady printing at high speed, and the print quality is excellent the whole time. K1 Max is assembled and calibrated before shipment, and it offers a boot-up quick guide, and allows self-test with one tap. So, users can print right out of the box. The strain sensors in the heatbed deliver hands-free leveling, while the AI LiDAR scans the bed tilts at million points for more precise leveling. Its heatbed heats to 60 C in just 90s. Also, a flexible build plate is adopted for quick print removal. K1 Max is assembled and calibrated before shipment and built in with a boot-up quick guide. You can start printing the moment your K1 Max arrives. 300 by 300 by 300 large printing size supports you to create any models you can imagine. Number 2. ZONESTAR FDM 3D Printer DIY Kit. Support mixing color and multicolor printing. Built-in automatic color mixing feature. One button to convert single color 3D model to multicolor 3D prints. Supports to paint color on 3D model. To convert one color 3D model to multicolor model for printing. Automatically resume printing after power failure. Automatic shutdown after printing. Bed auto leveling. 70% pre-assembled. Fast installation. Dual Z-axis drive and dual Z-end stops. Aluminium profile frame and full metal structural parts. Open source firmware. Multi-languages operator menu. Filament runout sensor detect filament spools is exhausted and pause printing. Wi-Fi module remote wireless control the machine. 4in 1 out non-mixing color hot end better color resolution when printing multicolor. Direct drive extruder. Support printing flexible filament. One color. High speed and high temperature hot end support more types of filaments. One color. Number 3. ANYCUBIC LCD 3D printer. Compared with an ANYCUBIC Wash and Cure Plus, the washing volume of the washing basket is increased by about 13.4% to 7.6 liters, and the total volume of the washing bucket is 12 liters, which island suitable for light curing 3D printers of 10.6 inches and below. At the same time, the curing size has increased by 42%, up to 220 times 260 mm, To accommodate larger and more models for single post-processing session, the innovative FlexiCure gooseneck lights design increases the energy value by 30,000 microwatts per square centimeter in the 1-3 cm irradiation range, which greatly enhances the curing effect on details such as the top of the model and the figure's skirt. The ANYCUBIC Wash and Cure 3 Plus features a brand new arrangement of lamp beads combined with a lens light source. Compared to the previous generation ANYCUBIC Wash and Cure Plus, it offers a 20% improvement in curing uniformity. This results in a more thorough and comprehensive overall curing of the model, ensuring better quality and consistency. The dual-layer PP material cleaning basket supports washing with platform. It is equipped with two adjustable heights of 150 mm and 250 mm, allowing printing platforms from 6.6 to 10.6 inches. Maximizing alcohol usage efficiency. A brand new dual-layer curing platform has been adopted, which increases the number of models cured per cycle and greatly improves the curing efficiency. Through a more sealed structural design and software optimization, the noise interference generated during cleaning and curing is reduced, creating a quieter and more comfortable working environment. Number 4. Mini DIY 3D Printer Kit Machine FDM. The Mini 3D printer has a print size of 4x4x4 in, and the nozzle is heated uniformly in just 5 minutes, and the nozzle temperature can reaching 180 C, which can meet the temperature requirement of PLA material pressure. Smoothly printing. The printer kit has a layer resolution of up to 0.05 mm, which ensures the accuracy of the printed model and allows for smoothly and vivid printing. Improve spatial imagination. The Mini 3D printer is suitable for beginners and children, which can cultivate their interest and improve spatial imagination and 3D perception. Quick assembly. Mini 3D printer consists of 3 main parts. Easy to assemble. You can print the attached model file or download the model file online. Easy to operate. Mini 3D printer has a unique system that allows you to start, stop and easily control the printing process. Easy to operate and suitable for PLA and TPU filaments with 1.75 mm diameter. Number 5. Flsun T1 Pro Delta 3D Printer. Maximum speed of 1000 mm per second, 3000 mm/s2 acceleration. Compared to other brand models, the printing time of the model is reduced by half. Self-developed 78 newtons extrusion force, new height dual gear direct drive extruder. The extrusion force is greater, the printing quality is stable, and TPU flexibility can be printed. After replacing the nozzle, high-strength materials such as carbon fiber can be supported. Self-developed 90 mm per second flow high-temperature hot-end kit. Consumables can melt fully, extrusion flow is smoother, and surface quality is better. The industry's first CPAP high-pressure silent turbofan. The extrusion consumables can be quickly cooled and molded to improve the surface quality of printed parts. Self-developed flow adjustment algorithm. Directional optimization vibration compensation algorithm. Self-developed high-speed model path. Reduce vibration and quickly change speed. All metal frame. During the printing process, the body is stable, reducing the impact of body shaking on the quality of printed materials and the vibration generated on the desktop. Enclosed chamber, hot-ended 300 C. Hotbed at 110 C. The sealed chamber can reach a maximum temperature of 50 degrees Celsius, effectively reduce model deformation caused by uneven cooling shrinkage of high-temperature materials such as ABS.